Did you know that your skin could be suffocating under layers of unseen dirt, toxins, and pollution, even if you wash your face daily? And here's something even more shocking. Your expensive skincare products might not be working at all. If your pores are clogged, those pricey serums and creams are just sitting on top of your skin, unable to penetrate deeply where they're needed most. Get ready for a skin transformation that will leave you breathless. In just 10 minutes you can detoxify your pores, wash away impurities, and unveil a luminous complexion that's simply stunning. Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment. Today, I'll show you an ancient skincare secret, a powerful DIY herbal face steam that will detoxify, deep cleanse, and supercharge your skin's natural radiance. This all-natural method not only melts away impurities but also boosts circulation, hydrates your skin, and makes every product you use afterward work 10 times better. But here's where it gets interesting. Most people do facial steaming completely wrong, and instead of helping their skin, they could actually be damaging it without even realizing it. The wrong steaming technique or using the wrong herbs for your skin type can lead to irritation, excessive dryness, and even breakouts. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it the right way, the best herbs for your skin type, and a secret trick that will triple your glow instantly. Stick around until the end, because you won't want to miss this powerful skincare hack that could transform your complexion forever. Every day, your skin is under attack. You might not see it, but pollution, dirt, bacteria, and even the very air around you deposit microscopic toxins onto your face. By the end of the day, your skin is covered in an invisible layer of grime, suffocating your pores and trapping dead skin cells, oil, and bacteria beneath the surface. And here's the shocking part. No matter how expensive your cleanser is, it may not be doing enough to break through this buildup. If your pores are clogged, your serums, moisturizers, and even acne treatments can sit on top of your skin, unable to penetrate deeply enough to make a real difference. But your skin has its own built-in detox system, sweat. This natural process is your body's way of pushing out toxins, cleansing your pores, and refreshing your skin from the inside out. And this is exactly where facial steaming comes in. When done correctly, herbal facial steaming enhances this process, mimicking the benefits of natural sweating but in a more controlled and effective way. Facial steaming works by exposing your skin to warm vapor, which gently heats the surface and stimulates a physiological response. As the steam makes contact with your face, it increases the temperature of your skin, causing your blood vessels to dilate. This process, known as vasodilation, improves circulation, allowing oxygen-rich blood to reach your skin cells, boosting their regeneration, and enhancing your natural glow. At the same time, the heat softens the outer layer of your skin, loosening up hardened oil, dirt, and dead skin cells that are trapped in your pores. This makes it significantly easier for impurities to be released, preventing blackheads, acne, and dullness. If you've ever wondered why steaming is often used before extractions during professional facials, this is why. It prepares the skin, making deep cleansing much more effective. But the benefits don't stop there. The warm vapor also hydrates your skin by increasing moisture absorption. Think of it like opening the floodgates for hydration. Once your pores are softened, your skin is far more receptive to absorbing beneficial nutrients from your skincare products. This is why applying serums and moisturizers right after steaming leads to much better results than applying them on dry, congested skin. However, not all steaming methods are safe or effective. Some people unknowingly steam their face the wrong way, getting too close to the heat or using the wrong herbal combinations, which can lead to irritation, broken capillaries, or even burns. That's why it's crucial to understand how to do it properly, what ingredients to use based on your skin type, and the key steps that will maximize your glow without causing damage. Now that you know why facial steaming is so powerful, let's dive into exactly how to do it step by step. Because when done right, this simple, ancient skincare ritual can completely transform your complexion. Not all face steams are created equal. Some can do wonders for your skin, while others can trigger irritation, breakouts, or even dryness. That's why choosing the right herbs is the key to unlocking all the benefits of facial steaming. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, you need herbs that fight bacteria, unclog pores, and reduce excess oil. The best ones for this are rosemary, thyme, and mint. These herbs have powerful antibacterial properties that kill acne-causing bacteria while helping to shrink your pores naturally. If your skin is dry or sensitive, you need something gentle, soothing, and hydrating. The best choices for you are chamomile, lavender, and rose petals. These herbs calm inflammation, deeply hydrate the skin, and reduce redness, giving your face a soft, smooth glow. If your skin looks dull, tired, or just lifeless, you need something that boosts circulation and revives your complexion. The best options are green tea, basil, and lemon peel. These ingredients wake up your skin, improve blood flow, and instantly give you that fresh, youthful radiance. Once you've chosen the right herbs for your skin, it's time to start steaming. And if you think you can just throw some herbs in hot water and put your face over it, think again. There's a specific way to do this to get the best results while avoiding common mistakes that can actually harm your skin. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide. First, bring 4 to 5 cups of water to a rolling boil. Once the water reaches the right temperature, turn off the heat and add your chosen herbs. Let them steep for about 2 to 3 minutes. This step is crucial because it allows the herbs to release their healing properties into the steam, creating a powerful natural treatment for your skin. While your herbal infusion is preparing, wash your face with a gentle cleanser. This removes surface dirt, oil, and makeup, ensuring that when your pores open, you're not allowing any impurities to seep deeper into your skin. Now, it's time to steam. Position your face about 10 inches away from the bowl. Any closer, and you risk burning your skin. Drape a towel over your head to trap the steam and close your eyes. Take deep, slow breaths and relax as the warm vapor works its magic. Stay in this position for about 5 to 10 minutes, no longer, as excessive steaming can lead to dehydration and sensitivity. After steaming, your pores will be open and your skin will be at its most absorbent. This is the perfect time to apply a soothing toner like rose water to rebalance your skin. Follow it up with a lightweight hydrating serum to deliver nutrients deep into your pores. Then, lock everything in with a moisturizer to keep your skin soft, smooth, and glowing for hours. But here's where most people miss out. If you really want next-level results, there's one final step that can triple your glow instantly. And it's a trick that skincare experts swear by. Keep watching, because this simple yet powerful hack will change the way you see your skin forever. It's called the cold shock method. Right after steaming, when the pores are open and the skin is warm, a splash of ice-cold water or a gentle rub with an ice cube creates an immediate contrast. This sudden temperature shift causes pores to contract, sealing in moisture while giving the skin a firmer, more lifted appearance. The rush of coolness stimulates blood flow, brightening the complexion and reducing redness. It's the secret behind that fresh, dewy post-facial glow seen after professional treatments. Beyond the aesthetic benefits, this method also soothes the skin, reducing any potential inflammation from steaming. It helps minimize puffiness, especially around the eyes, and enhances the absorption of skincare products applied afterward. By following the cold shock with a hydrating toner, serum, and moisturizer, the skin remains soft, plump, and radiant for hours. This simple but powerful trick takes just seconds but elevates the entire steaming experience, ensuring maximum results with minimal effort. For those seeking an instant natural glow, the combination of herbal steaming and the cold shock method is the ultimate game changer in skincare. Try it once and the difference will be undeniable. Integrating herbal face steaming into a skincare routine can provide consistent and long-lasting benefits. Establishing a regular schedule, such as once a week, ensures that the skin remains deeply cleansed, hydrated, and rejuvenated over time. Making it a dedicated part of a routine allows for continuous detoxification, improved circulation, and enhanced product absorption. Creating a calming environment during a steam session enhances the overall experience. Dimming the lights, using candles, or playing soft music can transform the process into a relaxing self-care ritual, rather than just another step in skincare. This not only elevates the mood, but also allows the body and mind to fully unwind, maximizing the stress-relieving benefits of the practice. To further enhance results, following up with a nourishing facial mask is highly effective. After steaming, the pores are open and more receptive to skincare products. Applying a hydrating or purifying mask immediately afterward allows for deeper penetration of active ingredients, ensuring maximum hydration and nutrient absorption. By strategically incorporating herbal face steaming into a skincare routine, the skin can maintain a fresh, clear, and radiant appearance, making this simple practice a valuable addition to any beauty regimen. So let's quickly recap. Herbal face steaming is one of the most powerful natural ways to detoxify, deep cleanse, and revive your skin. Choosing the right herbs makes all the difference, and following up with proper skincare ensures long-lasting benefits. And if you want that next-level glow, finishing off with the cold shock method will give you unbelievable results. And now, it's time to put this into action. Try this tonight, and let me know in the comments how your skin feels. If you've ever struggled with dull skin, acne, or clogged pores, I want to hear about your experience. Share this video with someone who needs to see this, and if you love natural beauty hacks, don't forget to hit that like button. And of course, subscribe for more powerful skincare secrets because we have some mind-blowing beauty hacks coming up next. Thanks for watching, and now go give your skin that glow it deserves.